tune. Sister. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, cheering me up, pushing sorrows down, and laughing our hearts out, no worries and no doubts. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, baking pies, eating fries, and singing out together the best lullabies. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, helping me climb a tree and reading out for me the best story. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, buying me candy, always come in handy, building up with me towers so tall. Baby shark! Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt. Run away, run away, run away, run away. Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end, 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 it's the end. The Muffin Man.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man job song.
I have my own lab, I can create new things. And do you know what else I do? I make experiments.
You are a scientist.
I have a lovely voice, I sing to everyone. And do you know what else I do? I record songs.
You are a singer.
I put braces on teeth and make them all straight. And do you know what else I do? I fight toothache.
You are a dentist.
I know a lot of things, I can't teach everyone. And do you know what else I do? I work at school.
You are a teacher.
I take care of all pets and save their lives too. And do you know what else I do? I treat their wounds.
You are a vet. Say you're sorry. Say you're sorry when you're wrong. Say you're sorry when you're wrong. It won't take long, so come along. Say you're This little puppy.
This little puppy was homeless. This little puppy got lost. This little puppy was starving. This little puppy had none. This little puppy cried wee 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 all day long. This little puppy got a family. This little puppy felt love. This little puppy had food treats. This little puppy had fun. This little puppy barked woof 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 all the way home. This little puppy had best friends. This little puppy had a home. This little puppy had pet toys. This little puppy had fun. This little puppy cried no more and is happy now.
Five little babies.
Five little babies are going to bed. One got a blanket, its color was red. Four little babies are going to bed. One got a pillow under his head. Three little babies are going to bed. One got sheets on his bed to